Hey, it's Locksmith here. All right, we got a Buick Rendezvous. On this one here, at the end of the video, I'll actually have a picture of multiple tools that you can use on this. This is going to be almost identical for tools that you can use on the Grand Dam and other video we have out there. So take your wedge, insert it in front of the door handle, and go ahead and take your unlock tool, slide it in facing towards the front of the vehicle, and go ahead and put your tool in. And when you drop it down below the glass, turn it towards the inside, and once you push down, you'll feel the linkage. When you get on the linkage, go ahead and turn, and you notice it's open. Go ahead and make sure you ask the customer where the key's at, so when you open the vehicle, you're gonna hear the alarm go off. I guess not. Alrighty, so hey, thanks again for watching Locksmith. If you found any of the information useful, hey, go ahead and give us a thumbs up, give us a comment, let us know. And if you would, blast us an email if there's a certain video you'd like to see, and we'll see what we can do to accommodate you on that. Go ahead and check out our other playlist, and go ahead and make sure you all stay safe out there, and have a good day. All right, hey, so I did say I was going to show a picture of the tools on this Rendezvous. Well, I'm not saying I lied. I'm just going to show something a little different. Go ahead, and when you put your wedge in, right here, you got 5 inches, almost the length of your tool handle. I'll back it up a little. I told you at the edge right here. There you go. Put the tool in. There you go. This is the one I'm using. I'm actually going to put it in the vehicle facing forward. Then once it's below the window, I'm going to turn it facing in. So we're going to drop it in. We're there. You'll feel it. You can come down. And when you do, you'll feel it bounce. Take the handle, rotate it towards the back while you're pushing forward. There we go. So we got it done and all. And on the other part of the video, I did tell you to ask the customer where the key is. The reason why I state that is I don't like the customer reaching in the vehicle, because I've had them turn around and tell you they're not paying for it. So it is what it is. Take it for what you want. That's just our policy we have with us, with everyone wanting to be skimpy and threaten everybody with a bad rating or whatnot. Just my 2 cents. But like I said, hey, thanks again for watching. Let's stay safe out there and have a good day.